YouTube world. We are back, and this time we are going to install some Projector door sill lights, the ones that project the Tesla logo on the ground when you open the door. I wanted to show you how easy it is to install these. So the good thing is that when you look at these, it shows either a right or a left side, so you know which side to put these on. The thing to always remember when you're installing this is to make sure that you adjust the light and the projection before you push it all in, but I'll show you that in a second. So let's see how easy it is to install these, shall we? All right, so if you look under the door sill, you'll see there's a little notch right here. You can't really see it because of if it's bright, but what you do is that you put a little prying tool underneath there, and then you just pull it right out. It's that simple. Then when you pull it out, you will see that it's hooked up to a little clip, and if you push the top of that clip down, it should pop right out. There you go. Then what you do is that you go and plug that back in the exact same way. And you can see the Tesla logo now is going to be showing up on the ground. I don't know how well you can see it, but you can see the T is not quite lined up. So there is a little ring right there on the side, right, where you can turn the logo around. Make sure it faces correctly. There we go. It shows it perpendicular, so. And then what you do is you just snap that right back in. And that's it. You're done. So this is kind of gonna be hard to see right now, but Tesla logo is lighting up. I'll show it in dark in a minute. And this is what it looks like at night. So it looks pretty cool. Ta-da. Hope this helps. If you like my videos, please feel free to hit subscribe and like below, as I will be posting a lot more tips and tricks and reviews on Tesla products. Thanks for watching.